Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this beauty of a jacket. It's the Icepeak Avondale in the color dark green. To me that doesn't really look like green, but I'm also a little colorblind, so anyway. Made by Icepeak. I'm very interested to see this jacket, so follow me along. A little bit of info about all that stuff, active wear system, blah blah blah, some information about the jacket, nothing too interesting. Now let's get into the jacket. Let's open it up first. Here we go, and I can feel already it's a thick jacket and will be very warm when winter comes. Of course I have it the wrong way, so let me switch that up. Okay, I found a little cookie crumble in my jacket. Very interesting. Alright, let's get to it. We have the more dark top up there than I would say, yeah, dark gray or dark green, better, sleeves and middle part. We have a few pouches. First of all, we have those pouches here and also here. They both have two buttons, and I see a zipper on both of them. Very interesting. I've not seen that, buttons and then the zipper. But let's open it up. Yeah, standard pouch until here. You can already see. Same, I guess, on the other side, exactly. And then we have these pouches right here. They are especially great if you want to put your hands. If your hands are cold and you don't want to open that stuff here. Yeah, so there is another button here, and then you can put your hand. It's not too big. It's great design. So here it's kind of like this, and then you can put your hand like down here, so it's more comfortable to to put your hands there. Yeah. Here on the side of this sleeve, of the left sleeve, we have Icepeak, established in 1996. And then here in the end of the sleeve, where your wrist is, we have this, oh, that's very comfortable. This very comfortable, and also I see elastic part right here around the black thing. Not the black thing itself is not, well, a tiny bit elastic, I would say. But like this, the cold air won't get inside your sleeve and inside your jacket. Alright, let's get it a little closer. Here we go. We have the hood. Also, I would say very comfortable, quality not too great, I would say. Then we have these two, this contraption here that you can actually tighten up your hood. Let's open up. We have a lot of buttons again, and they are kind of hard to open. Oh no! 1, 2. They are tight. 3, 4, and 5. And I can see already we have 2 zippers to open this thing up. We have one all the way down here, the very bottom, that you can pull it up and like basically open it from the bottom if you want to get some cool air, some fresh air from down there. And we have this one. Oh, this one is very smooth. We can open it up all the way, and then open up the jacket. And let's see if we have any more pouches in here. We have another pouch in here, kind of like a secret pouch, a little one. On the other side, we don't have anything. And then in here we have the little thing to hang the jacket up. So that is great, I would say. We have, I see down here, some more of these contraptions that we can actually tighten the lower part of the jacket to avoid cold air flowing into our jacket. Wow, well, I'm very impressed with this. I can also see the Finnish flag here. I'm very impressed by the jacket, so I'm gonna definitely try it out, and you can ask me down in the comments whether or not I am happy with this jacket. And then yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing to this channel, and also leaving this video a like so I see that you enjoy it. Hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.